Nevi, pathetic watching all my videos. Who thought you were a good friend? Everything I said on I Had a Dream, it's a lie now, and I'm gonna try my best to delete it. Cause you just did that to me. What you said yesterday. I'm tired of you doing this. I'm tired of getting my heart broken. But maybe my heart didn't get broken. You're lucky enough I didn't go breaking out, start crying, or start punching stuff. I'm just gonna give up. Whoever thought I had a chance with a girl like you. I'm not even gonna try anymore. Never again. You can't accept me? No one can. So, yeah. Thanks a lot, stupid.